We'll start the tutorial series with the very first step, setting up a space within our document-centric knowledge management tool, Typed. First things first, head on to our website, typed.do, and sign up using your Google account. If you already have an account, great, just log in. In Typed, we have a strict hierarchy, and we'll start from the biggest concept, space. It's easy to imagine a space as an individual room with an entry that is invite only. The creator or the owner of the room can invite or remove members, and every individual may have their own rooms. Also, there are no doors that lead to other rooms inside. A space is individual. Now, let's invite members. Click on the Manage Members button or the Settings and Members button. They both do the same thing. I'll click on the Settings and Members button. In the Settings tab, you are able to change the space image, name, and the option to delete the space if you are the owner. If you're an invitee of a collaborative space, the options you are given are just the option to leave the space in the Settings tab. The Members tab is where you open the doors to your room to others. Click on Add Member, input their Gmail address, and an invitation will be sent to their email. Keep in mind that your invited members must have signed up to Typed. Invitees will need to accept the invitation from their Gmail to officially join the space. Next up, head over to the Plans and Billing tab to have the option to upgrade to the Pro plan. The Pro plan unlocks the limitations of the free plan, which is limited to 25 documents and only 1 GB of reference storage. Important note here, the Pro plan calculates the pricing based on each editor in the space. Click out of the space settings, and now we'll head to our account settings. Account settings are located in the top right corner of My Home, beside the Customer Help button. Click on it, and you will have access to your account settings. I am aware that some of you may not see anything in the top right corner, just a blank white space, but click on it nonetheless. Lastly, let's learn about creating a new space or a new room. Click on your space name in the top left corner, and a drop-down will open displaying all the spaces you are currently a part of. Click Create Space. Name your space, invite members if you wish or not, and done. That was a tutorial on setting up your space. Next video, we'll learn about creating documents in Typed. See you there.